Welcome to the quick start guide for the HS280. First, unfold the drone's arms. Remove the red insulation gasket. Push the battery into the drone. Place the drone on a horizontal place. Then, long press to power on the drone. Power on the transmitter. Push the left joystick up then down to pair the drone. Push both joystick toward bottom right corner to calibrate the gyro. You can connect to the Wi-Fi to use the app function. Open the app HS280V4. You can learn this video on the app. Mount the phone on the phone holder. Push both joysticks to the inside bottom to start the motors. Short press the 1-key takeoff button to take off. Press again to land. Short press the speed switch button to switch the speed. This drone comes with 2 speed modes. Hold down the left joystick and do not release it while pushing the right joystick in the opposite direction of the drift to rebalance the drone. Short press the headless mode button. The forward direction is the direction that the head of the drone faces when it takes off. Press the adjustment button to adjust camera's angle. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the video button to record video. Again to exit. You can also take pictures and video through the app. And they can be viewed directly in the media library. Long press both the video and lens up button to emergency stop. Pay attention to the surrounding environment and operate with caution. The USB light is solid when the battery is charging. The USB light turn off when the battery is fully charged. Thanks for watching and enjoy your flight.